Good morning, we are from the Junior School of Rome, Italy. We would like to talk about how we celebrate Rosh Hashanà, our observances. A few days before Rosh Hashanà, we are used to plant wheat and corn in a pot to wish health and prosperity. On the eve of Rosh Hashanah, we usually visit the graveyard on the first night of Rosh Hashanah after the Kiddush and before starting our dinner. As a sign of good luck, we eat special food and recite formulas and greeting cards. We begin eating round Challah dipped in honey. Then we eat apples dipped in honey too. The Challah is baked in a round shape to symbolize the cyclical nature of life. Apple in honey is for wishing a sweet and new year. We eat also fish and as a wish for fertility and good luck for the coming year. In the morning, the mitzvah includes hearing the blowing of the shofar, and in the afternoon we go to a river, pond or sea, and say a special prayer in evocation of the verse, "And you shall cast their sin into the depths of the sea." We are happy on Rosh Hashanah, and everyone blesses the other with the words Shana Tova Umetuka.